So today's been really busy, and the plan was to go out and fly the quad. But unfortunately, nature has other plans, because as you can see out there, it is super rainy and super windy. So I guess it is on to plan B, which is to fly in a different place. And when life gives you heavy rain and heavy wind, well, sometimes you just gotta make do with what you got. And what I've got is a half a building under construction. And me with a master key. That was a lot of fun. I'm hoping the video comes out because that was not exactly the most well-lit area. So hopefully it wasn't too grainy, but otherwise I'll smash it together and hopefully it turns out pretty good. Well, it's back to work for me. Well, this day's done, guys. So hopefully you guys had a decent Friday, and hopefully you have a great weekend. I'm gonna be down in Waco this weekend, so if any of you guys are in the Waco area or are willing to drive to Waco, hit me up and we can definitely burn some packs. Otherwise, hope you guys have a great weekend. Hope that you guys get a chance to fly. It looks like the weather has improved ever so slightly. It's still super windy, but maybe. Until next time, guys, post some videos, post on the FPV Texas, and we will talk to you guys later. Beer time.